LMD Magazine and EFM present Biz Talk, taking an in-depth look at today's biz landscape.
Welcome to another edition of LMD EFM Biz Talk. Today we're speaking to the Chief Operating Officer of Finco Engineering, Mr. Ranjan Dissabandara, and FEL's Manager of Marketing, Ms. Vindya Fernando. Good morning and thank you for joining us.
Good morning.
Let's begin with you, Ms. Fernando. There has recently been a lot of attention on the launch of a new product, Finco to your home. Could you give us a few details on that?
Yes, Finco Engineering has been in this industry for over 3 decades, and we have some of the best expertise, knowledge working with us, the best professionals. So they're constantly updating themselves on the market, and based on their research, as a result, they've come up with this solution-based product range, which is Finco to your home. So that is Finco to your home. We are bringing in our expertise knowledge to the retail sector of the industry, which is construction chemicals and engineering solutions.
What were the individual products released under Finco to your home?
We introduced a long-lasting cure for rising damp, which is a very common problem in the households. If you take almost all the houses in the country would have this problem. So we've come up with a solution called Marvestop, and we've also come up with another product called Masterful 777, which is an integral waterproofing solution. And we've also come up with a new waterproofing kit, which is called the Magic Box. Why we call the Magic Box is it's a total waterproofing solution which comes with waterproofing powder, a racing, a grout, a mesh, and also a handy application brush with a manual of how the application can be done.
What exactly is your distribution network like?
We have over 8 outlets island-wide and over 25 distributors, and on top of it we have our products in over 1,000 hardware stores. So that's our distribution network.
Now, Mr. Dissabandara, could you give us a brief overview of your suppliers?
Okay, BSF is one of our major suppliers, originally from Germany, and Fosrock, BSF, Fosrock, and both of the suppliers are main construction chemical suppliers in the world. And we have Mape and Tenkate and Terraco. Those are the main suppliers, but we have over 70 suppliers, supplying different types of materials for Finco Engineering.
What can you tell us about Finco Engineering in general?
In fact, FEL started operations in 1983, and at the inception it was only a waterproofing contractor and a supplier of waterproofing chemicals. But over the last 3 decades we have introduced 300 plus products to Sri Lanka. Sectors wise, if you talk about other than the waterproofing sector, we supply materials for admixtures, concrete admixtures. Then we have geosynthetics, guardrails. Then we have road marking paints, industrial flooring products, sealants, and also very recently we introduced these corrosion control protective coatings. Those are main areas of business.
Moving on, could you give us a few details about the members of your group of companies?
One of the key factors as Finco Engineering to be successful also, we have a multi-dimensional group. If you take ICC, for that matter, is one of the major construction companies in Sri Lanka. ICC is one of our sister companies. And we have Uga Escapes. Uga Escapes running over 5 boutique properties in Sri Lanka. And we have Alpha Industries, Finco Green Energy is one of our subsidiaries, and Alpha Tours, inbound, outbound, traveling they handle, and Dura Building Systems is also our sister company. And so when you really look at these companies, we really get business generated within the group as a group synergy.
How exactly has FEL been able to stay at the top of the market, and what plans do you have for the future?
I'll tell you, it's mainly supplying quality products to the construction industry, and we always try to bring in innovative, newest technology into the construction industry, and on top of that, to be in par with the competition, we always try to manufacture our own products. So those are the 3 main criteria as far as Finco Engineering is concerned, to be on top of the industry.
Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Tune in every Tuesday and Thursday for more insights from our business community. You can also log on to efm.lk and lmd.lk/lmdtv for a visual experience of Biz Talk.